Welcome to DPS Education. In this video we are going to learn about lists in HTML. So how to add lists in HTML. So now we'll start here. We'll create a new page called lists.html. Okay, now here we'll include the boilerplate. Yes, the title here will change it as lists in HTML. Lists in HTML. We'll save it, and here we will open with a live server. And as here you can see the lists in HTML. List in HTML. So in HTML we have two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. So what is the difference between ordered list and unordered list is, in the ordered list the items will be in the order, like 1 2 3 will get in orders, but in unordered list we'll get in type of bullet points. So here we'll see unordered list will start with UL tag. Okay, UL stands for unordered list. So inside the UL we'll write LI. LI starts for first item, first list item. So inside the LI only we'll write our item. So here I'll write first apple. Okay, and the second item I'll write it as mango. Okay, and the third item I'll write it as grapes. Grapes. And the fourth item I'll write it as papaya. Okay, so this is an unordered list. Okay, now we'll save it, and we'll see in the live server. So here we'll open with the live server, and here you can see apple, mango, grapes and papaya. So this is what about unordered list. Here you will get in the form of bullet points. So now we'll see about ordered list. So in ordered list we'll starts with OL tag. So OL stands for ordered list. So inside OL we'll write first list, that is we'll take same fruits only, apple, and here we will write it inside the LI will write it as mango, and here we will write it as grapes. Okay, and here we'll write it as papaya. Okay, so we'll save it, and here you can see the ordered list. So ordered list, here you can see it is appeared in form of orders, that is 1 2 3 4. So okay, we'll give a heading also. We can give heading also, like here in the H1 tag I'll give it as unordered fruits. Okay, so here I'll give it as ordered fruits. Okay, yeah, now we'll save it, and here we can see unordered fruits and ordered fruits. So this is what the difference between ordered list and unordered list, and this is how we'll add list in the web page. So for the unordered list we'll use UL tag. Inside the UL tag we'll write our list. So for a particular item you have to use LI separately. So for apple separate LI, mango separate LI, like this you have to use separate LIs. This is list tag for different items. So this is how we'll add list in HTML. Thank you.